Hey, good morning, welcome back to Seoul. In this video I'm going to be exploring some of the city's main sites, and we're starting here at Gyeongbokgung Palace. Hopefully my pronunciation wasn't too bad, which was the largest of the 5 grand palaces of Seoul, here located in the northern part of the city. I'm about to head inside now, so let me show you this firstly, and then we'll get moving to some other places too. Lots of people wearing costumes. You can see the modern Seoul just there, which contrasts with the old at the entrance to the palace here, even the backdrop of some rocky mountains. So I'm now inside the palace, just 3,000 won to enter. It's around £2, so really not that expensive. You can see the bridge here at the entrance. Reminds me a little bit of the Forbidden City in Beijing, but this is a classic Korean architectural style. Lots of people wearing costumes. It's pretty interesting to see. Today's actually a national holiday here in Korea, so it's a lot more busy than normal. So bear that in mind if you see so many people in my clips. It's not like that every single day. The palace is the largest of the 5 grand palaces of the JOSEON dynasty. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce it very well either there. Kind of has that royal color of green still there, and different intricate patterns. There's the old council chambers just in front of me here. Still walking through the palace grounds. The whole area is very large. As I said, it's the largest of the palaces here in Seoul. There are huge garden areas with pathways running all along, so definitely will take a little bit of time to walk around and soak it all in. I love how you can rent the costumes and then just roam around palace grounds like you're an emperor. It's hilarious. Such a cool thing to do. So many people doing it too. So now left the palace grounds, I'm here at Bukchon Hanok, which is a traditional Korean village. There are many places to see how people used to live in the Joseon dynasty, which is the same one as the palace that we were in before. There are also people still living here. Here you can actually see the house number, so you can see how there's people still living in these places. There are people in yellow uniform everywhere telling you to be quiet, like the person over there you can see in the middle. And that's because there's so many tourists here and it's so popular. You can see here the traditional Hanok houses, which is what they're called, encompassed with the new. You can see Gyeongbokgung Palace there, and the roofs of some other Hanoks beneath. Coffee shop just here accommodating tourists with a nice view. Mountains in the distance. It's a pretty chill area to explore.
It's gonna be
Some local snacks here.
Yacht.
Yacht. Okay, I'm gonna try. It's very hot. At the bottom of Bukchon Hanok here, you have places to eat, cafes, souvenir places. We have watermelon, strawberries. This place is looking relatively local. As Seoul goes, it's so modern. I'm going to try some traditional Korean drink here. So I've got the rice drink here, which is a traditional one known as chiket. You can see the rice at the bottom here. Let's give it a try. Oh wow, it's really good. It's very sweet. It tastes like it's got maple syrup in it, but it's not. It's natural, right?
It's rice.
It's actually from the rice. So around 20 minutes walk away from Bukchon Hanok, where I was a moment ago, and you'll reach Ikseondong, which has a lot of Hanoks and old style buildings and houses. It's filled with shops, places to eat, and it's a little bit more off the grid and a bit more intricate and small lanes where you can kind of get lost. So let's take a look. It started drizzling a little bit, so everyone's got the umbrellas out. Here you can see one of the small alleyways, the mixing of old and new here. Very cool area. I have to show you the ATM machine. When I first arrived in the airport, I was so fascinated. It's actually like a mini, I guess, photocopy machine of some kind that has a screen on the top, and then you do it on the bottom here, and it's just very, very different. So having walked around 10 minutes from Ikseongdong, it was raining, I couldn't walk around there so much, it was quite crowded, but you got a quick taste. I'm now here at Gwangjang Market, which is one of the oldest and most popular markets in Seoul, and there's tons of food just behind me here, so we're gonna go check out and eat a little bit of food. So much food in here to try. Noodle soups. It's quite fresh and not so expensive. Here you can see the price list. 5,000. It's around £3.50. Dumplings here, vegetable and what looks like shrimp or prawn. Kimchi, of course. Some more dumplings. You can see how far it stretches all the way to the end here. This is a really great place to come and try out some food. Another family we met, they were American. They said the lady working in this place is actually famous. I think the one with the grey hat, she was on Netflix. I think that's a picture of her on the program, I'm not sure. Oh, there you go. You can see. That's convenient. Maybe we should try from here. So this is actually a kimchi dumpling. Can't get more Korean than that, so I'm gonna try this one. Front row seat in front of this famous woman here, as you can see.
자, 저쪽 언니들은 드신 건가? 잡수신 건가? 아이고, 머리가 멋지요.
칼질이 장난 아니에요.
You can also get dumpling soups here, which look amazing. Fresh kimchi dumpling, accompanied by, you guessed it, kimchi and some soy sauce too. So I'm here with Joe, who's been showing me around today, and let's try the kimchi dumpling.
You like it?
It's super fresh. The texture of the dumpling is really nice, and it's a little bit spicy, so be warned for the kimchi one, but not overbearing. This is a kind of tea that you can have with the food in a plastic bottle, pretty random. Amazing dumplings there, but not done yet. Definitely want to try some more food. This is really turning from a sightseeing tour into more of a food rampage, but all of the stuff here looks so good. Definitely come and check it out. Oh yeah. A great atmosphere here too. That's why it's good to know a local. They can tell you all the best places to go. Wow, look at this. It's like...
This is pancake.
Pancake.
Korean side pancake.
Made of seaweed. Navigating through the crowds to the most famous pancake place. What an amazing scene here. I can't stop filming everything. So much going on. Raw fish. Yeah, look at the queue for the most famous shop. Damn. So apparently this is the most famous pancake place. They are huge. Oh my god. It doesn't really get much more authentic than this. So here we have the pancakes that you saw being fried outside. This one consists of just mung bean. Along with that, some rice wine here, 5%.
You have to shake it like this.
Yeah.
Put it out of bottle on this bowl.
It looks like milk.
Yeah. It doesn't taste like milk at all.
Cheers. Wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It's like sweet beer.
Yeah.
I can't explain that. Really easy to drink. I'm sure you could get drunk very quickly on this if you had a lot of it because it goes down very quickly.
Hear it like this.
Here we go. Let's dip it in some of the soy sauce. Crunchy from the fried outside, and also the bean sprouts in the middle. And the actual pancake is quite simple flavor. When you add it with kimchi soy sauce, it really elevates it.